the Benno Boost. It's a cargo bike and a child carrier. Actually, a children carrier. It has a payload capacity of 400 pounds. It's the top, it's the best, it's the finest quality from fit and finish to the Bosch drive power system. Build quality beyond anything else available. And we stock them all. Safety, more safety features than we can describe in this video. And of course, hydraulic disc brakes. It's a Benno. It's a Bosch drive system. With quality like this, it's truly a car replacement.